Good morning. Doing Derelict Live. Sun's just starting to peek up. Hope everyone's having a nice weekend. Get over here and not get hit.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
All right.
I still chuckle every time I see you roll into this thing. I think it's awesome. How often do you fill the propane tank for that thing?
I filled it once. I had a quarter of a tank when I bought it. It doesn't use that much.
Yeah, I bet.
I'm just driving it from the other side of it. So, I don't know.
Not very much, huh?
No.
That's cool. Very cool. Rick, good morning. Ottawa, Canada, good morning. Cool LS powered, this thing's got an LS swap and it's pretty cool. LS Land Cruiser or whatever. Go check out this 55 gas over here too. Lee's car. Ben, good morning from the K. Good morning. Cool Studebaker truck over here. Good looking Ford truck. Got a few guys pulling in over here. Let's go check it out. What we got?
I need to know anything.
Cool long bed C10.
No. You have to answer the phone if I call. I don't answer. Okay, fuck, you're on. I know.
Good looking truck. Jan from Norway, good morning.
Yeah. The guy with the Mustang.
Bruce, good morning, Bruce, Maryland.
And then when you got out, I go, hey, come back here, brother. And he goes, no, go to work on my truck. I said, whatever.
Cool panel. Gunnar, good morning. Big old caddy pulling in.
Don't look derelict.
Good morning.
Good morning.
That's odd. Most of those guys are taking our cars over there.
Yeah. Well, they like the Holden.
What's happening? Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Good to see
Hey,
you, buddy.
have you ever met Corey? The guy has the hand-controlled Dodge truck down there.
I don't think I have.
He is interested in doing the drag week thing. I told him that you're the guy to talk to.
Okay. What Dodge what?
He has that 1,000 horsepower twin turbo LS rat rod looking thing at the very end down there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So Corey from Lunch Money was interested in doing the drag week. I told him that if anybody to talk to, that would be Bill. Bill's done it a bunch of times and he knows all the tips and tricks. So he's the man if you want to do that. Good looking C10. Jennifer, good morning. Five pulling in. Let me know if there's something I passed you guys want to take a better look at. Beautiful Chevelle. Supercharged. Super clean. Valerie, St. Petersburg. Morning, Valerie. Supercharged 5.3. Morning.
With a little bit of elbow grease.
Cool step side C10. Morning, how you doing?
How do you know this
I'm weird, so I don't know. Yeah. You're moving somewhere cold and you start training now.
I know. It's not actually that cold. I'm just, my blood is thin already. Yeah, I know. I'm moving like the 5th of February. So.
I know, it's way colder there than it is here.
Actually,
right?
I looked up the temperature and it was like 50.
Oh.
So right now it's not bad.
Yeah, in the winter, I guess it gets more humid, I guess, right?
Oh, yeah. I've only been there.
Uh-oh. Is this your last weekend here? Is this your last weekend here?
No, I'm here next weekend. I don't think I'm going to move until like the 5th of February.
Oh, okay.
So I might be able to come one more time.
There you go.
I know this morning I was like, do I want to get up?
You made it. What's up? How you doing? Long time no see. Yeah.
Christie's old Chevelle.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bob bought it.
Christie Moat. Christie
Yeah.
Moats.
Bob on the right hand side there bought it. Yeah.
Love your melody. Get that in there.
Yep. Eric's got to get it in there. Charlie's car. Back here.
I got till the end of May to get that baby good and golden.
Can I take a bite and put it back?
Sure. Hey, it's like See's candy.
You get a sample when you walk in, or yeah. Yeah. That's a dangerous spot. That's a very dangerous spot. Good looking first gen Camaro. Really nice. Sounds good. make our way down here. Corey from Gas Money's down here for lunch money. He's got his newly twin turboed LS powered Dodge truck. Let's walk down here and check that out. It's extremely ridiculous, so might as well. What's up, RJ?
Covered up.
I know.
Gotta keep that head warm.
Yeah. Good looking 57 pulling in. Is this gentleman your friend? The Datsun?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
That's my tuner.
You the crazy people travel in pairs, or?
Yeah, he ran a little late this morning, but
That's
he made
funny.
it. He's got an LS7 in that thing.
That thing's ridiculous. Is that yours? Oh. Where is he?
He's cruising around with the other guy that rolled up with me with the Corvette.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he tunes most of the EFI cars all over SoCal.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Huh. That thing's a trip to look at. Sorry. Corey's truck.
I gotta almost be kind of ready to even sit in there and drive it.
Yep. Yeah, it's all hand controlled.
All I got to say is nice hat.
Exactly.
Corey's got these gray and black lunch money. I wanted to put one on the back window they're about this big.
Stickers?
Yeah.
Uh-huh, yeah.
That he sells, right? And
Yeah.
I was gonna put one on. And Corey said, already says enough lunch money. Lunch money. All right.
Yep.
I'm not proud of that. Datsun is a 96 Impala chassis
Uh-huh.
with the Datsun pickup truck, you know, shoehorned on top of that. And then an LS7 with a 6-speed or whatever, manual.
Uh-huh.
He built it for like autocross and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks wild.
It's a wild ride.
I bet.
Oh, yeah.
And is the exhaust coming out through the bed there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jesus.
It'll pretty much roast it through every gear.
It'll what?
Roast the tires through every gear.
Oh, I'm sure.
He takes off like in third gear and it just drives totally normal.
That thing's crazy looking.
Yeah, that was the drag. He was a great guy, man. He was really Larry, probably. Oh yeah, okay, don't worry. I'm surprised
Sorry, that was after.
Oh yeah, when he died, yeah, grandma jumped in.
Oops, sorry.
Wow, that in the back seat looks so realistic.
It even knows how to. It even texts. It knows how to text too. Crazy. That thing's a trip. Beautiful looking shoebox over here. Sorry. Good looking shoebox.
One more car.
Right?
What's that?
What's one more car?
Yeah, you need one more for sure. I agree. Your wife might not agree, but I agree.
Be for her.
Have a good weekend. See ya.
My friend, who's a cop, next to me. I have to tell him when he's done.
So we get one from down here, if we can. Cool C10. Morning from Sweden. Morning. Eric's car. Cool New Yorker. Good looking Ford truck. Love the patina on this thing.
Walk down this way.
Yeah. Details on it. If you're interested. Beautiful Studebaker. Ghost lines on it. We'll work our way down this aisle and then we'll come down the middle aisle here. Okay. What's up, man? How you doing? Snuck some pictures of you in there, I noticed. And this Camaro, when it came in, sounded angry. Morning. Krista. Great turnout. Yep. Lots of great cars this morning. I mean, there's something I passed you want to take a better look at. I attempt to do my best to get everything, but it doesn't always work. Where there's original in the dash. That's awesome. That's awesome. Very cool. David in Lakewood, California. Good morning. Michelle's Challenger. Look at Nova.
Yeah, like How does that work? He's in Phoenix right now at a convention. Oh, really? Yeah.
Hello.
What franchise?
She said, Dad, I come for the donuts, and that's about it. There you go. That's cool.
So I was looking at how pretty that engine looks. He spent a lot of time building it up.
Cool looking Hydra car. Beautiful. Super clean, Paul. Uh-oh. Try not to get hit and killed here.
I don't know how you walk around. It's cold, man.
It is cold, I know. I agree. I agree. Look at Camaro.
Oh yeah, it looks like it's driven hard to put away wet. Oh yeah, I mean.
Park City, Utah. Bill, good morning. Josh's split bumper, second gen Camaro.
Oh yeah, it looks like they repainted the. Kan han sluta? Ska bara kolla upp nu.
31 Chevy. With the Corvette Alley. Here in the Vets. Do a little lap on the Vet. Got the Corvette Nomad over here.
Yeah, and then a friend of mine tried to find a 500 SL. He wanted me to tidy up his
it gets a little sticky. And I've checked it now.
This is funny.
And it's not, I've checked all
Very
the
silly.
It's not from there. It's
Spider-Man and Superman are fighting.
it's on.
Have a good weekend. Yeah. Warming up and rolling out. Pull forward our Merc. Getting it from Stockholm, Sweden. Cool looking 56 four-door. Alright, well, I think for today that's probably just about it. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.